Do you want a return of 15.28% on a premium lifetime free credit card? So friends, today we are going to talk the first statement of Bank of Baroda's Eterna credit card, and my wife's Bank of Baroda card has come. And in this video, I will tell you how you can get up to 215.28% return when you spend your first 50,000 on it. Actually, I will get a return of more than 15.28 because there is also a small spend-based benefit in which you get 4,500 RPS separately. But we will not calculate that because when you apply for this card, you will get that offer. If you guys want to apply for this card, then there will be a link in the distillation. It is the e-cast way to get this card without any documentary proof. And anything else, you will do VKYC and directly you will get the virtual card. There is a limit of around 20,000. So now how will you tell me, Professor? So man, don't you see this on the screen? The first thing I saw is Amazon Pay credit card vouchers, which are Amazon Pay vouchers. I had bought them and I have taken vouchers of 10,000 so far, in which I got a discount of Rs60 once and a discount of Rs50 once. You have to understand that to buy Amazon Pay vouchers, people pay fees. No matter which portal you talk about, there is a convenience fee of up to 1 to 2%. Smart Buy Pay, then I give a convenience fee of approximately 3 point something percentage altogether. I am talking about pay discount here. Then I spell one. One transaction got a discount of Rs60, the other got a discount of Rs50. The reward points that I got were 1419, which is worth approximately 372. And the second transaction, which you can see on the screen, by taking the Dream Plug drink, then we got approximately 1 crore upon 93 worth of points, whose value was approximately Rs373. 25, now I got a discount of Rs50 in this too. Now you do not get any points on websites like IRCTC because he is excluded in one. The simple thing is that after getting all this, my return, which is approximately 4.28%, not 15% yet, but late. This is a welcome bonus on this card, which you can see over here. What is the welcome bonus when you pay on this card? 50,000 within the first 60 days, you get 50,000 rewards, 50,000 pay, you get 10,000 bonus rewards points, and when you spend 5,000, you get 20,000 bonus rewards funds. So we are not going to hit towards of 5,000, just hit 50,000. We get 10,000 RP, whose value is Rs 2,500. So my net return, which is now add from the first one which we have got, will be Rs 4640, i.e. the return of 4.28%. I am averaging out and spreading it over 50,000, and after that, if I add Rs 2,500, I get a value of Rs 4640, i.e. approximately 15,000 something points. Now we get, with what I told you, 40,000 spent by April 30. If I do it, then I also get 4,500 bonus RP. Oh, so that's it. For those selected users, I am not calculating it, but the matter does not end here. You just have to go to the Visa Poshvine offer, which is their website, which is this one. And here you have to register your card. You will also register the first primary card that comes. And if you do the first transaction, then you get Amazon Pay vouchers worth Rs 750. After that, you need 3 add-on cards. Bank of Baroda's Eterna add-on card, you can do that through the app. You just need the name and the PAN card number which you want to add on card, and you get. So by doing 3 add-on cards, you can get easily and vouchers up to Rs 3,000. Now this is what you have to go to that. Only then you will get the website and register for each individual card. Then you will get 3,000 there. Altogether, you actually get the benefits of approximately 4640 plus 3,000 that comes out to be 7640, and the matter does not end here. You will get the benefit of It Fast Pro. If you guys go to the gym, brother, there is a free gym membership for 1 year, priceless. If you don't go to the gym, brother, sell it off. My WhatsApp group has a voucher trade-off group. There it will also be sold out. And on this point, friend, only 300 people have subscribed to the channel in the last 1 month. Brother, I am telling you so many good things. Subscribe to the channel. Grow the channel too. And member only videos are definitely you check out, because if you don't check that out, you will not get a start video that we make for our members. And if you are starting a credit card journey, then it is very important so that you understand what is this going to happen when you play with you. Credit cards, how can you get maximum reward points? For 11.99, only you get access to all the video plus WhatsApp group, plus you get access to or 15 minutes of chat window with me. If you are having any doctors, then all in all Fit Pass Pro. You get unlimited lounge access. You get benefits. Where pay you get 40,000. If you spend, then there are also people to win in the entire add-on cards. Everyone will get unlimited launch access, domestic one. So in that sense, this is a very good premium card to have. And look, this post that I had put, brother, 73 people have bookmarked it. This means that people absolutely like this. Only 40 people have liked it because people bookmark it more, and if they use it later, then guys like and repost it too. Also, if you guys were with me on the channel, I had told you last time that people were getting a discount of Rs 1000 for buying a Flipkart gift card worth 10,000. So people have bought that too. You were getting more benefits here. You are also getting plus a 3.75% returns in rewards. So these are small things. Bank of Moru is doing a lot of good things in the premium category, and you should definitely not miss out on this aspect of this. And now, because you guys under the video, I tell you 7 tips which if you guys follow, then it will be very good for you. First of all, if you are applying, use the link below. And there is an error coming in that your mobile number is already used or your ID is already in the database. So first of all, brother, change your mobile number and use different mobile number. Then this a chance will give you this access to one mobile number. Many people have done it. I just reposted a post where people said that, sir, your work has been done. If nothing is happening, then drop mail to crm@.co.in them and say, sir, remove my PAN card. I don't have any Bob's card, so delete what you have from my ID. If any other co-branded card is of Bank of Baroda, then you will not get this card. Take care of this. The third, if the PAN card is stuck, then email it. As I told you, your work should be done. You have to spend Rs 12,000 to be officially eligible. If you are putting even 12,000 on this card, then many people are not getting this card show. Then you just have to ensure that your maximum salary which you are filling in ITR or the income you are filling is around 15,000. Again, those people generally do not check, but you have to be prepared that in case if late this any check, your application will be rejected if you people are not able to justify. The next thing, if the card show is not happening, is now time. The card will remain free for life. So wait 2 months and apply again after 1 month. The next thing is the welcome bonus of 60 days. Isn't it very important? Its timeline is the day before your card is approved. You will try to spend 60,000. Sorry, if you spend 50,000, take the total amount from 50,000 and be safe. Because last time when I had a card with turn of rupee of Bank of Baroda, which was a tree card, what happened to that card that crossed my 50,000 but late refund? Because of that, I didn't get those reward points. And when you spend 40,000, your add-on card holders also get you. Lounge access is domestic. Link which is going to apply. The link to Visa Poshvine will remain in the description. A link to the old video will be found in the description. Do you apply and tell me in the comments if you got approval or not? If you have got it, then you don't get all the best. Then tell me, sir, I am not getting it. I will try to help you out, and give it a like if you like the video. And to watch more videos like this, kindly subscribe to the channel. Subscribing 300 people will not make you a brother. Then 1000 people should subscribe to the list per month. Video likes goal. This only 2000 likes. Thanks a lot for watching.